Hollywood Post 43 of the American Legion is on Highland Avenue, right here in Hollywood, down the street from the Hollywood Bowl, and is a Los Angeles historic cultural landmark. We've been here in this building since 1929 and in Hollywood since 1919. The American Legion and the Hollywood Post were founded on what we call our four pillars: Veterans Affairs and Rehabilitation, National Security, Americanism, and Children and Youth. We host a variety of theater and community events.
All of us are here because we want to make this place beautiful. We want to make it look great. We want to be here to help you out.
The landscapes had suffered like every other landscape in Los Angeles from many years of drought. And when COVID happened, we really didn't have anyone here to maintain what was left. So we've got a beautiful landmark building, and the landscape just wasn't what it should be to showcase this building. Our goal was to make the gardens drought resilient and tolerant and low maintenance.
For every design, I always start from a watershed approach, thinking about how water moves through a landscape and how I can best collect it in the landscape instead of letting it run off into the street. The Hollywood Post 43 landscape is a very public-facing space, so careful plant selection that would look good year-round was key.
In our garden, we have a number of different cool things. One is the Memorial Garden, which honors people who decided to have some of their ashes scattered. And we planted quite a few trees, but we're happy to be able to do that with the tree rebate that's been added to the replacement program. I learned about Metropolitan and DWP's rebate program because I did it at home. Erin was happy to find that it would work also for our nonprofit. The rebate covered all of our costs. In fact, the project for our post, given that we've used volunteer labor and saw great pricing on our plants, is going to cost us a net zero. My advice to other organizations is go for it. Apply for the rebate, and it'll be an amazing thing to do.